about your everyday life. If you're like me, you probably spend most of your time indoors. The lack of sunlight, dim rooms, and poor quality lighting all have harmful effects on our well-being, and it's frustrating. This is why we created Lys, the first light-tracking wearable and app that takes care of your circadian rhythm. The concept is simple. Light controls your natural sleep-wake cycle. Lys will empower you to make the most of natural light during the day to stay active, energized, and alert. And it will help you avoid harmful blue light at night, preparing you for a good night's sleep. We designed a product that tracks light in the same way as your eyes. The Lys app gives you essential insights and actionable feedback that will empower you to take control of your personal light intake and manage your habits to improve your general well-being and the quality of your sleep in a natural way. Our mission is to bring modern living back in sync with nature. We have designed Lys to fit you and your lifestyle. It's a small coin-sized wearable with a discreet clip, making it easy to wear in various ways. The battery lasts for 7 days on a single charge, and we designed Lys to be water resistant and long lasting. By placing Lys in the charger at night, you can also measure the light surrounding you while you sleep. Hi Kickstarter, my name is Christina. With your naked eye, you can't judge whether the light you receive is healthy or unhealthy, and this is why you need Lys. My team and I have been working intensely with leading software developers, hardware engineers, scientists, doctors, and designers to develop an accurate, affordable, and user-friendly product for you. This kind of technology has previously been used in scientific research or highly specialized medical products, but never in everyday personal use. We're now bringing Lys, a light measuring wearable, to you. We're now ready to bring Lys to life, and we need your help. Lys is a technically advanced project, which means that the tooling and manufacturing costs are significant. The money we're raising goes directly into moving from prototype to production. Our world-class manufacturers are ready. All we need is your support to start. So join us today, support our Kickstarter campaign, and together, let's bring modern urban living back in sync with nature.
I've been a firefighter for almost 20 years now and a captain for the past 4. And sadly, I've attended calls where we've had fire deaths, and almost always it's related to smoke or toxic gases. We fight fires, but it's smoke that kills.
Saver is an emergency breath system that has the power to save many lives. Most of us have smoke alarms, but what happens after they go off? How do we protect the ones we love? We've created this product with one purpose: to save lives. Saver is the first personal home safety device designed to prevent the inhalation of smoke and toxic gases during a fire, allowing you and your family the time you need to escape safely. 7 people die every day from home fires. 80% of all fire fatalities are due to smoke inhalation. For every minute you are trapped in a fire, your survival rate decreases 7 to 10%. And after the first 5 minutes, your chances of survival are less than 25%.
Unfortunately, people have a false sense of security when it comes to dealing with a house fire. People don't realize they have as little as 2 minutes to escape a burning home before it's too late. Also, people don't realize the long-term health implications from a house fire. Inhaling smoke and toxic gases can cause cancer and other respiratory diseases. The Saver emergency breath system has the power to change all of that.
Saver is easy to use and can be activated within 5 seconds. Simply remove the plastic cover, apply the nose grip, remove the orange cap, bite into the mouthpiece, and breathe normally. For children, we recommend they hold their nose with one hand and breathe with the mouthpiece. Saver's triple filter technology removes smoke and dust, carbon monoxide, secondhand smoke, and toxic gases with every breath you take. Saver is the only household product of its kind in North America. We believe that Saver will become as common as smoke detectors and just as important to the safety of your family. Lives are depending on this product getting out there, and we need your help. Every saver is a life. Join us, and let's create a safer home for the people we love.
My name is Tom Heiser. I'm from Heiser Defense, and I'm here to introduce our PS1 pocket shotgun. It's a 410. This one's chambered for a 2.5-inch round. You load it here, single shot. It's stainless steel or titanium. It's got a storage compartment in the bottom. You can store 45s or a cleaning kit or whatever else you need to put on the bottom. And it's all stainless construction. We machine and manufacture all the parts in St. Louis. We're just located south of St. Louis in Peevely, Missouri. This particular gun here, we shot over 5,000 rounds through it, and we're still shooting it today. Without a fail, all we did is clean the barrel, and that's all we did, and we kept shooting continuously in 2.5 days, over 5,000 rounds, without a fail. We've been in the manufacturing business over 50 years, and we decided to venture into some firearm business, diversify. And we said, let's come up with something really different and radical. Let's come up with a pocket shotgun, and that's what we did. So we're going into production now. In November time frame is when we're going to start delivering the guns, and we're going to have the guns around the $499 price range is where it's going to start, and then we chambered for 2.5. But we will be coming out with the 410 for a 3-inch shell also.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Put it in your pocket, just walk around with it, sing, just be free, just walk wherever you want, and you can have your effects with you instead of like a dude backlining.
Control how long the effect is.
Cool! People think I'm just moving around and acting silly on stage, but in actuality I'm using my emotions to control my vocal effects.
You get to play with it and it's immediately more natural.
Singing. We all do it, whether it's in the shower or on a big stage. It's one of the greatest things to do. And believe us when we say we have something that will take it to the next level. There are many professional singers using sound effects on top of their voice. But why are more singers doing so? Well, Because effect controllers are often packed with sliders, knobs and switches. Add complex software into the mix and it instantly becomes hard to understand. A singer needs to be free and expressive. They need to have an instrument that follows their movement, not the other way around. And that's why we created the Wiggle Kit. An instrument that lets you add effects to your voice by simply twisting and moving it around. This is not a revolutionary idea. This is a natural next step for singers and vocalists. It's an intuitive instrument that does not interrupt your workflow and will become an unmissable part of your singing, either on stage, in the studio, or practicing at home. So how does it work? The Wiggle automatically connects to its app. In the app, you select a style or genre, so you can get started straight away. Sing into the built-in mic of your phone or tablet, or use it with an external one. Hold the Wiggle in your hand, or attach it to your microphone. Twist and turn the Wiggle, and you'll hear the effects straight away. Explore the ready-to-use effects in the app, or link it to your favorite studio software. Over the last years, we've been developing the Wiggle Kit with a small but very dedicated team in the Netherlands. You might know us from our previous Kickstarter campaign 2 years ago. Our project was successfully funded and got picked up by many great artists, including some of the biggest live acts in the world. With the amazing support and feedback of musicians and singers, we now proudly present the Wiggle Kit, a product designed and tested by artists for artists. It's compact, intuitive, and can be trusted on stage, even the big ones. But most of all, it's a product that will take singing to the next level.